Hello. Sorry, I was making some coffee. Morning, Miss K. Miss K, are you here? MDA, been waiting for you to get on. Is your Apex account working? It's working for me. Well, the last time I traded was last night, and it was working last night. Miss K, did you happen to subscribe to the membership? What's up, Dealing Hands? What's up, Dean? Hello, Philosopher. W on MFF yesterday. Oh, okay. I appreciate it, Miss K. I just wanted to give you a shout out because I don't know when you did it. You kind of snuck it on me. I almost missed it. I appreciate the support. Bro, I thought you stopped Asia. I know I said I would, but I was like, you know what? Since I'm trading micros, why not just overtrade the hell out of my account and I'm paying for it. But thank God I switched because I would have blown my accounts by now. Took a trade last night, got my funded account to 2100. Now I'm getting a data error. Like on Tradeovate? Data error. I don't know what that is. You got your silver badge. I appreciate it. It says market data error, so I haven't been able to trade all morning. Do you have any other NinjaTrader accounts? Have you tried your other ones? God, my coffee's not sweet at all. Never mind, they just emailed me, told me they reset it. I was thinking I didn't do all of that trading for nothing. So they reset what? They reset their system or what? Hey, Smooth. Yeah, hopefully they didn't reset your account. Oh my god, yesterday's Asia session was not fun at all. I think the Korean stock market just wrecked me. I was like trying to go long all night. I went long here. Got out early. Started pumping up right after. This was like a full loss. And then what's funny is that I stopped trading right here, but then this would have been my setup right here. Like this is what I was looking for. This right here. Bam, bam, bam. But it happened like right after I stopped trading. Oh, frustrating. What's up, Tris? Your market data, no trades were going through after I made money. Shorted the market as soon as it opened. All right. So it was an Apex problem. Hope he dump at open. I mean, it looks like the chip stocks are still taking a hit. The whole Korean stock market went down 10% yesterday, just yesterday. I mean, granted, their stock market is 50% two stocks, but things aren't looking good, boys. Why are you looking at Korean market? Because it's affecting US market. You see what I'm saying? Doesn't work like that? True. What do I know? We're free from Kim Jong-un here? That's true. That is true until he launches one of those rockets. Jeez. All right, the market's open. Ding, ding, ding. Come here, Dennis. Hello, W. What's up, Dennis? I just realized that I missed another setup like right here. This long would have been good for me. It's like whenever I don't trade, I miss stuff. Whenever I do trade, I lose. That's the story of my life. What's up, Raph? I can't believe people just sit around like nothing's happening when there's an earthquake. Yep, we're dumping like crazy right now. I honestly think the world is ending. This is the only way to interpret this. I see you have the 1 minute and 1 hour up. Do you always trade on the 1 minute in the same direction as the 1 hour? No. I use the 1 hour to kind of get the bigger picture, and then 1 minute for more precise entry. But I mean, precise is debatable because I don't always get the clean entries. Perfect AMD long. SpaceX down 4% already, almost reaching $100. God, this cat is so annoying. I don't use multi time frames anymore. I found that if using 1 minute, if you trade in the same direction as 15 minutes, it's easy money. Easy money, boys. MDA cracked the code. Who won the X giveaway? I already picked the winner. I just have to announce it, but I don't think it's any of you guys, to be frank. No way you selling me out. I mean, I wish you could win, man. That is my wish, right? But people are gonna think if you win that I rigged it, actually. Hey Kevin, any trade ideas? Not for this hour. First 30 minutes of market open. I mean, isn't that every orb trader? 15-minute orb? I had to miss a couple days work. It's been pretty crazy, so I've had to try to catch up on some sleep. Yeah. I feel like my work is kind of busy too. So it's kind of double whammy when things aren't going well trading and then your work sucks. It's like, ugh, stupid. It is looking bearish. I feel like I could have taken a short right there. You feel you need to reconsider your strategy? Nah. I just do it until I die. Because like strategy hopping could be the reason, and I feel like I've been doing that for too often right now, so I need to like stick to something for at least a few months. How long have you traded with your current strategy? Probably less than a week. No, sorry, less than a month. Like ever since I lost the bunch of funded accounts, I'm just like trying a bunch of things. Well, it's like still the same concept, but like different entries or different management style, whatever. I just need some consistency. And that's part of the reason why I kind of lowered my size as well. Like I just want to stop caring about losing, right? Because before, every time I lose, I get doubts about my strategy, and I don't want that. Yeah, I could have taken a short right there. Right below this low. Oh well. I saw a large sell order at oil before market open. Maybe it's an insider. Later, Trump will speak with Zelensky. Maybe they know something. Yeah, I'm sure they do know something, because they're the ones moving the market. But we are full on bearish. We got Micron down 10%, almost at $800. That was $1,200 like not too long ago. I just want to see SpaceX hit $100. That sounds like a good number. You need full focus on execution to figure out if it is the strategy or just your execution around it. Yeah. Like I can't even make any kind of conclusion because just the way I've been trading, I'm just like all over the place. It's like, oh, I'm going to trade Asia. No, I'm not going to trade Asia. So I need some consistency. I just need to stop caring about the numbers. They know. Well, I'm sure they're gonna, Trump is gonna get his phone out again and be like, hey, you guys ready? I'm about to tweet this. Get your positions in. You'll get in once SpaceX is under 1 trillion market cap. Is it not? Is it still over a trillion? You'll figure it out. Yep. Yeah, it's not like I'm gonna give up or anything. It's just gonna take a longer time. I think the big what do you call it? The biggest takeaway recently is me like just going to micros. I feel like that's a huge deal for me personally. We're obviously gonna take out all the lows here, or even go lower because this looks bearish as hell. Oh my god, look at all these lows. Beautiful. Head and shoulder much? That 1 hour chart looks ugly as hell. $388. It went down at my level again. All right, 7 more minutes until 10 o'clock here. Missed a couple days of trading. I heard you switch to micros. How many micros are you trading? I'm trading 3. So a third of what I used to trade. And I mean, I'm a little biased here because I've been losing every day, but it's been nice, right? I feel like I barely lose any money now. Every time I lose. W mindset. I don't know, man. But I can't admit, I can't accept the fact that I was being greedy by being stubborn about sticking to mini just because the fee differences. As you know, I trade the MYM. My standard contract size is 6, and a half contract is 3. 3 is a great starting point. Yeah. Feels good for a bit, but you'll see how little you also make and become impatient. Make sure you get a tangible goal you're looking to achieve while trading micros. I think I'll be okay. But you have a good point, right? I think another trap why people kind of stay away from micros, it's like, ugh, like I'm never gonna make money trading this way. But I think if you make consistent base hits and your losses are manageable, and now that I'm down to 3 micros, it's going to be even that harder to blow accounts, right? So I feel like you maintaining your account is imperative, especially if you don't have any fundeds left. So I saw it on your older video. You said micro wouldn't be worth it for you. Good to size down. I know I look stupid for changing my mind, but I think, again, trading isn't about, you know, your appearance or your how you look to other people. It's a battle within yourself. So, you know, I don't care if I look stupid. I don't care if I'm a hypocrite, right? It's about staying true to yourself and figuring and learning always. And I never want to be stuck in a position just because I'm a content creator that I have to stick to something that doesn't work. Just because I'm like, I created a channel around it. I still, it still could be like I could still be right. The old me still could be right, but I think I was making some sort of like a judgment based on like theory, right? I was theory crafting rather than trying it out and actually learning the pros and cons. So in that sense, like, I'm trying it out. I'm experimenting. Because like I feel like my learning style is more of actually trying it out rather than listening to other people, right? Rather than me listening to other people what not to do, I need to try it out myself and learn it for myself before I can actually not do it, if that makes sense. I know that's a longer way of learning, but everybody's different. You're at the stage where you're validating your strategy, so it makes sense to go with micros. Yeah, that too. I mean, I'm still trading mini with my eval, so it's not like, right? It's not like I'm trading micros everywhere. All right, 10 o'clock. Whoa, getting a huge pump here right at 10. 10 a.m. reversal. That would be kind of funny. If we actually pump after making these equal lows. But I mean, that's a pretty ugly 9 a.m. candle, so I doubt it. I doubt we're gonna engulf all this. But anything is possible. It's false. It'll drop. We'll see, man. Wait, isn't there some kind of news this week? Oh, it's tomorrow. FOMC meeting? Okay. FOMC always confuses me because is it the one that has the press conference, or is it the one that is just like meeting minutes? Because like the minutes are just nothing burger. It's the press conference that's like crazy. Okay, there is a press conference. Okay. Okay. So stay out tomorrow afternoon, I guess. FOMC minutes is just the release of the previous meeting minutes. Yeah, that's the one that doesn't do anything. That's the one that doesn't really move the market. $230 more fireworks. Yeah. I think didn't Walsh say he wanted to do less of it though? Less of the press conference. I mean, I think as long as he maintains the rate or even raises it, then I'm good. What's up, Mehdi? How about to double my short position? Do it, man. Will be interesting to see the decision tomorrow. If he raises it, there's going to be Trump lashing out. Yeah, of course. He's going to lash out for if he maintains the rate. And even if he lowers it, he's going to lash out saying it's not enough. So I don't think there's a way of winning here. I mean, trust me, I want lower rates. That would be amazing. But runaway inflation sounds really scary. On daily time frame, support has yet not touched. Yeah, I think we're still going lower. We have to be going lower. We did make a first fair value gap right there. If we ever reclaim this, I think it's a long, temporarily at least. I mean, yeah, it's bearish. We all know it's bearish. I'm just happy we got some reversal at 10. Maybe, you know, maybe this is a good one too, right here. It does have the 10 a.m. candle in it. If we ever reclaim this fair value gap long right here, shoot for the moon. All right, it might actually get up there. Interesting. Oh, selling off though. It's close. I mean, according to my theory, you would long right here since we reclaimed the fair value gap, but looks like it's not working out. The one at 37 only got to 36. Yeah, I think we're bearish for sure. Yikes. Easy money. I love easy money. I have $710 left for this funded account, which is plenty, I think, with 3 micros. Like, I would have to lose a lot more. So I kind of like that. Have to lose a lot more. Doesn't sound good. You're right. That's a defeatist mindset. It's not a profitable mindset. You get what I'm saying? We all know this is going to drop. Why is it not dropping yet? It just has to take its time. From the time I've seen your trade, your mindset is better suited for high probability, lower RR strategies. Yeah, that's what I've been doing 20 ticks. What is that? 5 points? 5 points 1-to-1. I used to do 1-to-5. I used to do like 50 tick TP and like 10 tick stop loss. Ironically, that's the time when I made the most money. Because like once you do 1-to-5, it's like you know you're gonna lose a lot, right? You're gonna have super low win rate, but when you win, it's like it makes up for all the losses. Could we go up? Could the 10 a.m. reversal beat everything? Beat all the haters? Trying to mark out where the 10 a.m. is. 10 a.m. candle is this one right here. Right here. Can I make a line, please? Shouldn't be this hard. Oh my god. I just hate TradeAway so much. I just hate it. $10 a.m. candle holding strong. We're gonna flush at 11 now. Okay. Might enter longs. All right, let's see you make $5,000 again, Dean. Show me what you got. Took this short at 10:24 a.m. candle, rejected on the VWAP. Quick scalp. 10 a.m. chop. No surprise here. I think, tracking the 10 a.m. reversal for a couple weeks now, I think literally just blind 10 a.m. reversal without a stop loss seems like the best bang for buck. Lucid Tuesday? Oh my god. Remember Lucid Tuesday, guys? What a day. Classic. Lucid Tuesday and Apex Wednesday. Good times, good times. Once upon a time, there used to be something like that. Yeah. It wasn't my choice, guys. It was the bots. Blame the bots. Yep, 10 a.m. reversal working. You're going long right now? Let's see. Let's see if it pumps. Micron is still down 10%. Wild. I mean, just the way we kind of rejected pretty hard there. Maybe we're bearish. Yeah, look how the 1 hour candle is forming. Doesn't look too great. He's in. Seems like? What do you mean seems like? Is it one tick off? It's a pretty black and white. Okay. $10,000 target, eh? Alright, it's not coming down. That would have been a good long for sure. I'll just count it as execution. I'm just doing some stuff in the background. Well, let's see if the price actually gets to your target. Waiting all day. All day, all day. Taco Bell is selling Mexican pizzas for $1 today. Oh my God. Say less. Sheesh, we just keep going up. Won't stop. Can't stop. Who would have thought? Who would have thought that we would get a reverse out of this? That is surprising for sure, especially if the hourly chart looks like this. It is still possible to go lower, I guess, afterwards, but gotta say, I'm surprised. Break even, just look at that reaction, 0 ticks drawdown. Yeah. I think you're onto something there. Maybe time to cut loose. Yep. If you're short, maybe it's a good time. Unless you're waiting for the 11 a.m. reversal to the downside. Bro, just tell me I'm not him, bro, please. Is that some kind of a reverse psychology for me to call you ICT or what? Just tell me I'm him, 150 points, no drawdown. I think if you're actually him, you would have seen the Trump tweet coming, honestly. So I think you're not there quite yet. Because even if Trump wanted to dump the market, he would have to go through ICT to make that happen, right? So if you're actually him, he would have given you a heads up. The market looks like it's reversing. Reversing which way? To the downside or to upside? You like that 1W? I'm just, saying it how it is. I think saying that he is ICT from one trade is kind of minimizing his impact on the market. This is third trade now called live. I think you should start your own courses, man. You'll make enough money to buy an eval in like the first day. ICT is love, ICT is life. That is true. It's that quote, live, laugh, ICT. I need to put that up right here. That's gonna be my next quote. That actually sounds really funny. I should do that. I should put it right below here. Live, laugh, ICT. To the upside if it holds. ICT's cult? I don't know about that, man. That sounds like a hater mentality. Were you in the tweet space on Sunday? No, I was not. I still need to watch the full recording, but I saw like clips of it. Pretty entertaining stuff. I don't think my printer has ink. We'll see how it comes out. I mean, this is what I got. Nothing. Why is it not working? No way I get break even. How far does it have to fall? 27, 714. Oh, you're good. You're still like 100 points up. Okay, my printer's not working. I'm getting blanks. What a boring market. Tradify is hosting a Kahoot. Wish me luck. Top 5 win account. What's a Kahoot? What kind of competition is that? Like a quiz? Okay. Good luck, man. It is falling a lot. We could go back down right here. Looks like kind of a bearish close on the hourly as well. So I don't know. What's up, Daryl? When does that Apex thing end? Apex, $59. That ends tomorrow, okay. Alright, get in on that, guys. $60 for a 100K account. It's pretty good. I don't know. What's the target for 100K? 6,000? Yeah, I mean, if I was trading a 100K account, I would double my size for sure. 100K, 6,000 target, 3,000 drawdown. I guess drawdown wise, it's not as good as 50K, right? Because you have to make double the profit, but you're only getting 1.5 with the drawdown. But I mean, 60 bucks. So that ends tomorrow. I think Lucid is. I watched their live stream yesterday. I think they're gonna make an official announcement on the daily pretty soon. They said they dropped the daily like kind of quietly just to see how people react and see if they want to kind of make any last minute changes. So I would assume once they officially announce it, they're gonna start something like a promo. As soon as they offer coupons for it, I'll request for it. I don't see it yet. I only see Lucid Pro, Lucid Direct, Lucid Flex. And I have a meeting with the affiliate manager next month, so I'll ask more if they have any plans on giving away cases. I want those cases, man. I need to ask that for sure. I think they're cutting you off. Don't attend. Maybe. But I haven't seen anybody else get the cases, so I don't feel like or dailies. So I think I'm okay. Bro, I love trading. You love trading at 18? That's a good life, man. When I was 18, it was 2008. So, big rip. I went short at 11 a.m. Set my TP to overnight POC 4-0. Nice. Good stuff, man. You just love it because, like, I know what's coming in the future. What's coming in the future for you, man? Are you daydreaming about your millions? Millions and life with God, all I need. Do you know who Justin Verline is, or Warline? Bro, I'm 18, please explain. I mean, I feel like that sounds like a troll. What if you're not even 18? Look it up on Google. Oh my god, you're so boomer, man. You gotta ask Claude. What's Google? Might as well say look it up on Yahoo or something. Or ask Jeeves, man. Ask Jeeves. Gotta stay young, you know? Bro, who uses Yahoo? There was a time, man. There was a time when people used to use Yahoo more than Google. If it doesn't flush now, look for a long. Why are we still stuck here, man? Whoa, okay. Here comes the pump. Yahoo is still pretty big in Japan. Oh yeah, I'm sure it is randomly in different parts of the world. AOL is the best. I don't think I've ever used AOL search engine. The only AOL I use is the dial-up and the messenger. Old enough to remember AOL dial-up. Remember all the CDs that you get everywhere in magazines and like a free trial CD, AOL? Bro, if you genuinely see my trades, can you say that I won't make it? I need like 4 RR a month for like a 50k a month. Again, we're all rooting for you, man. I'm 1 day away from a payout with upcomers. Upcomers? Never heard of that one. You're really showing your youth. My first AOL install was on floppies. Can I remember AOL on floppies? I feel like I could. Was it gray? If it was gray with like blue font, then I remember the AOL floppies. Aha, see? I've seen those before. I just haven't used it. Yeah. I feel like by the time I needed AOL, it was on CDs. I mean, I was very little. Maybe this was when Kevin you were a teenager, but I know you know the bigger floppies, not the compact ones, but the ones that are bigger, black with a hole in the middle. I remember those. Five and a quarter, is that what it's called? Yeah. Yeah. This is it. 5 and a quarter inch floppy disks. Common storage capacity range from 360 kilobytes to 1.2 megabytes. Mind blown. So much storage. The golden age of humankind right there. And that was just like 30 years ago. Imagine 30 years from now. We're gonna be, you know, living in Mars. Who knows? You would have two floppy drives, one to load your OS and the other one to load your application. Really? Oh my god. Kind of wild. The times that we lived in. 56K modems were the shit. Yep. God, I was so jealous of kids that had DSL. I was like, oh my god. I want fast internet. About to get 200 points on the trade. Yeah, looks good so far, man. Looks like we're going higher. I remember when PS2 first came out, playing Resident Evil 4. PS2, when PS2 came out, yeah. I don't remember exactly. I remember when PS1 came out, but PS2 was like, cause like I was Xbox fanboy at the time, so PS2 was like, I had it, but it was like always on the wayside. Didn't really pay attention. $256 terabyte in a flash drive. Nowadays, yeah. Any trade ideas? If we break out the break out of the range, then yeah, I'll look for something. Making your girl MP3 CDs. That was the vibe. True. Burning your own CDs. You had a PS2 when you were like 5? PS2 13 years ago is like super old. PS2 came out in the 2000s. Oh my god. Sheesh. Alright, we are breaking to the upside here. Kind of rejecting again. Game Doctor for Super Nintendo. That doesn't sound familiar to me. No. I remember Game Sharks. Alright, never mind. We're pushing higher. We're going. Dean is about to hit $10,000. I don't know how you do it, man. Short off the VWAP. Short off the 8 a.m. level. Yeah, man. Looks good. Just rig one for me. First payout dedicated to you. Wow. That sounds tempting. I mean, I'm interested in a long, but it's like going so fast. So, I don't know. I might go long at 74.63 ish. If we keep going up, I'm gonna cancel it though. But in case we dip down a little bit. All right, going long 74.63 and 50 cents. Wait, I got an error on my Apex. Is this what you're talking about, MDA? It's something about market data? How do I fix this? It says real-time market data required to trade this contract. Please update your market data subscription and place a new trade. What does that mean? What's my stop loss? Well, it was at 74.54, but I'm canceling it. Keeps going up. You had to message the help desk? That's annoying. All right, let me do that. I can't believe Deanie's gonna make $10,000. I just can't. I wonder if they said anything about on Twitter. Nope. Oh, now it's coming down? Yeah, I'm not catching this knife. Unless we fall way lower. My entry was here. At top of this candle right here. Oh my god, trade of 8. Um, trouble placing trades because I get this error when I try to enter. How do I fix this? Thank you. How do I fix this? I need to follow my rules because I stopped trading at 11:30. I'm gonna close the trade at 3 RR. Yeah, I canceled the trade. It went up too much without me. Seems like no trade for the session. Yep. No trade once again. Annoying. Today was literally like every time I'm like, okay, I'm not trading this. And then everything works out. But when I do trade, it didn't. So I could say I'm being targeted. But, you know. We all know that's not true. This is all hindsight BS, so listen to it with a grain of salt here. But I would have taken this short, didn't take it. And then in Asia session, I would have taken this long right here, didn't take it. I would have also taken, where was it? Like somewhere around here that I would have taken. It should flush back down from here. Yeah, we went up a lot, but we're still bearish. Like, this doesn't scream bullish to me. Should be taking it the reason why you went into micros. Yes and no, because I could still lose all those trades. So even if it doesn't hurt, right? But I still don't want to lose money that I don't have to. But, you know, it's like in hindsight, oh, I would have won that trade, kind of hindsight bias kind of thing. That's all right. I'll get another chance. Caught another long 5-0. I also feel like I need to like use my left arm or something, because like I've been feeling like carpal tunnel symptoms here. Maybe I need to stretch more. The price keeps going up. Oh, SpaceX actually turned green. Looks like everything's kind of recovering. This will be 7K instead of 10. Where's your TP now? Smallest green day in a couple of weeks. Hey, at least you're ending it in a green. I haven't seen green in like 2 weeks. London highs and SS. So what is that? 28,000 ish? 28,000, 40, 60, 50? We're almost there. $7,000. Sheesh. All right, Kevin, I'll see you tomorrow. If we continue to push higher, I'm thinking we'll retest the Asia 4-hour open low from yesterday, 6 to 10 p.m. low from yesterday's Globex session. Okay. I still think we're bearish, right? But it's a matter of how far we're going to go up before turning around. Survive, 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 you know? Survive so you can just show up. That's my motto. I mean, we're all trading prop firms, so it would be very difficult for you not to survive unless you give up, but still works. Good stuff, Philosopher. I'm gonna head out here too. Not getting anything. $10 more W. All right, I'll see this happen and then I'll peace out. Wasn't it 56? Looks like it hit 50 so far. 52 was the highest. $52.75. So you're 7 point. Wait, it went up higher a little bit here. It went up to 52 and 50 cents. All right, I think you hit it right there. All right, I'm gonna end the stream here, guys. No trade once again. You know? Whatever. We'll try again tomorrow. Have a good rest of your day. Good luck with your trades. Good job, Dean. Another W day for you. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Goodbye, Maddie. Goodbye, Philosopher. Goodbye, Miss K. Thank you for the subscription membership. I'll put something on the stream for you somewhere. We'll see. I gotta figure that out. But peace out.